How to log in WhatsApp with Gmail account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to WhatsApp with Gmail in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on settings, and after that you will be prompted to the settings section. And now here you can see the option label account, so simply tap on that. Now in the account section you can see the option label email address, so again tap on that and now add your Gmail address, and once you're done with that simply tap next. And after adding your Gmail, WhatsApp will send a verification code to your Gmail account. So open a Gmail and find the code, and after that you can enter it in your WhatsApp. And once you're done with that, your Gmail is now linked and you can log in to WhatsApp using your Gmail account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.